on. In a few minutes, I will show you the roses that I did this one 2, 3, 4 years ago. I have these 3 babies, 2 blue jay babies, and they hang around the garden here. There you go. Make sure you wear gloves when you're using this, so there's no extra fingers will grow. No, just kidding. Make sure that you wear gloves when you're using this one, Sissy. I'm gonna show you the two baby blue jays. They're so cool, adorable, basically. Look at that one right there. That's the baby and the mother. So that's the baby down here on the ground, and that's the mother over there. She's busy feeding her babies. She's got 2 big fat babies. See, that's the baby right there. And the other one is way over there. The other baby is way over there. Isn't that cool? Right there. That's a baby blue jay. And the other baby blue jay is way over there. Oh, okay, it just went down. And the mother is really busy feeding them. There it is. That's a baby blue jay. They hang around the garden. They're not afraid of me at all. Now they're in the water, in a bird's bath. Taking a bath now. Isn't that cool? That's the baby. Yes, the baby is really chubby. The mother is doing a great job feeding them. Oh, where did they go? Thank you, Jundi. My hands is shaking here. It's taking a bath right now. The baby blue jay. There it is, 2 of them now. The 2 baby blue jay in the bird's bath. There it is, the 2 baby blue jays. Okay, I'm gonna show you. They hang out here in the garden, the baby. The mother was a baby last year. The mother of those 2 baby blue jays was a baby last year, and then she built her nest closer by here. And then there's the mom. See, how cool is that, huh?